What is up, everyone? It is your favorite Duck of the chaotic evil variety, and today I'm doing freaking fantastic because I have a skirt now. I have a skirt, my first ever skirt. So yeah, I've been wanting one of these things for ages, for eons. Oh well, I fucked that up. So I've learned my lesson. Do not go into YouTube Shorts comments because people love being homophobic. You know, you'd think people in a society would understand that it's not okay to be homophobic, but we're just at this point where people just think it's perfectly acceptable to be a dick. So, if you're one of those people, you should get the fuck off my channel. Anyway, I'm just hoping that you're not one of those people. Anyway, black masked drugs. Yeah, that's right, we're doing with drugs this time. We're not dealing drugs, but we're dealing with drugs. Yippee! Yahoo! I'm fucking Mario or something, I don't know. So yeah, I got my first skirt recently. I'm not sure if I already said that. I might be stupid, I might be brain dead. But yeah, I got it recently. I would post a picture of it, me wearing it, but then again, I don't really want to think about what some of the people on the internet would do when they see a minor's thighs. So I'd rather not risk posting a picture. So yeah, that's also, I gotta mention that again, just because I'm scared that someone's gonna make some stupid comments or something. I am a minor, so don't go trying to be Drake over here. And also, just like, don't leave those kind of comments in people's comment sections. It's kind of weird, just in general. But you're my community, so you're probably not.
Come on, you don't want to do this.
Since you're like a small community, there's probably none of you that are that kind of people. I hope there's not in my small little community. And if you are, then you need to reevaluate your life choices. Why is this, red? Is there a reason, or am I just stupid? Okay, there's a data handler over there. Yes, and I actually identified them this time. The game let me know which one it was this time. Yippee! Shit. Right, there we go. Oh, shit. There we go. I probably shouldn't dive bomb, because that might hit the handler. I got a notification on my phone. I'll have to check that out after the video. That's usually what I do with my notifications.
Don't hurt me like you did them other guys. I ain't like them.
Tell me where you've hidden the information you've gathered for Enigma, and I'll think about it.
Anything. Anything. Please.
Alright. Alright, I had to reply to the text. Alright, I need to fix my voice real quick. Hang on. Alright, alright, I think I fixed it. I think my voice is, correct. Alright, hopefully that didn't take too much time. Anyway, we're gonna try to get some of these data packs and stuff. Because we are in the side quest phase of this game. Yep, that's right. Part 13 was the last episode of the main story. Well, until I complete the side quests and everything here, in which case I will play New Game Plus. I'm not sure how soon that will be, but I'll play it, and I hope it will be fun. And then, after that, I might play the dreaded I Am the Night mode. If you guys know what I Am the Night mode is, you know why it's so dreaded. You know, die once and you have to restart. Basically, it's the mode that screws you over. But by that point in the game really kind of expects you to have all the upgrades. We need to stop Enigma. We need to stop him. My voice doesn't sound right. I think am I doing it right? Mango. Yeah, I've been doing more vocal training lately. Information. Give me that. I'm gonna try to get all these data packs on the bridge. I like how it's really only like 20 handlers instead of like City where you have to get like 500 bajillion in order to get the locations of every Riddler trophy and stuff. Because like, ain't nobody got time for that, you know? I know the data packs do not have a satisfying reward, but this is my YouTube channel, and I get to do the quirky side quests. Or not even the quirky side. This is my YouTube channel, and I get to choose the side quests. Yeah, I'm having so much fun playing this, because it's like the first time I've really played It's the first time I've really played a new game in a while, right? I use new lightly. The term new, I use it like because the game's new to me. It certainly isn't a new game though. 2013, 10 or 11 years old at this point. Game is quite old. What am I looking for? Anyway. There's a crime scene over there. Hang on, let me check these crime scenes. Wait, that's not where how do I check them? There we go, case file reports. Investigate. The Coventry Fire. I'm gonna do a lot of these little case files because I think it could potentially unlock another criminal, because like I have one of them missing, which is weird because usually you unlock all of the criminals by just playing the main story, but kind of odd. So we'll have to see who it is, because as I've said before, I have no idea who any of these guys are. Or not who any of these guys are, but I don't know who, like, most of the criminals in the side quests will be, because I've only seen someone play the main story, and after that, literally, I know nothing about the side quests. So it should be an experience. Oh, that's what it does. Alright, I'm just going this way. So, with this channel, I think it's mainly a passion project. It's just like, I wanted to pursue video creation. And, I'm pursuing it, alright? Didn't really want to I don't think pursue is the right word. Is it the right word? Oh, we got our Riddler informant.
Hey, that freak's on
Calling
the
them
turret.
handlers
Get him.
just feels wrong. Calling them Riddler informants because that's what they're called in every other game.
Come on, we got
That's what they're called in
Break his
2
face.
of the other 4 games. Or 2 of the 4 games. That's what they're called in City and Night. Asylum doesn't have them, and... Well, Asylum has maps.
Want some of this?
Oh, I was trying to do a redirect there. I accidentally did, I did an oopsie.
Look, I don't want any trouble. Please.
You're one of the scumbags Enigma hired to collect information.
There are others? I thought...
Shut up. Just tell me where you hid the extortion data.
Okay, you win. I'll tell you where it is.
Alright. I love how Batman just has shut up. He just tells bro to shut up.
The fire damage is going to make
Dead
evidence
man.
collection difficult. I should start by identifying the victim.
Dead man slash woman slash...
Dental records indicate his name is Alex Kane.
Okay,
He's
it's
a
a
small-time
guy.
arms dealer that frequently works with the Penguin. Cause of death was a gunshot wound to the heart. The fire must have been set in an attempt to cover the killer's tracks.
You could say he was shot through the heart, and you're to blame. Whoever the
DNA
killer
evidence
was gives
indicates
love
the
a bad
killer
name.
Fired from close range. This suggests the 2 men knew each other. Maybe it was a deal that went bad.
Why is he so goofy with it, though? Why is he so goofy with it?
Interesting. The fire was actually started by the victim. Chemical residue points to an incendiary grenade. Guess an arms dealer always comes prepared. The spread pattern means the killer would have been trapped here, though. But there's no second body. He must have found a way out. The killer made his way up the wall in an attempt to avoid being overcome. I should follow his route and see where it takes me.
It's being overcome? You're gonna come over him? I really should stop making dirty jokes.
There's no way he could reach that ladder. I should review the crime scene to see how he made his escape.
Oh, there we go. Another ladder fell down.
These prints belong to King Lou, one of Penguin's top hitmen. Chances are I'll find him at the docks. I wonder what Kane did to deserve this.
Attention all units, we need everyone on assignment. No 10-10s until further notice.
Alright, so where is he? Where is King Lou? There he is. I need to travel here.
Kane's dead like you say. Why ain't we heard nothing about it? Oh, don't worry. You will.
Oh, he's a martial artist?
Was you there when he dropped? I'm the one that did it. What? Don't give me that look. Guy was getting lazy and you know it. It's bad for business, but good for us. Someone's gonna have to take his place.
I don't know. I need to think about it.
Don't take too long. I got a line of guys that would kill for this gig.
That's him!
Alright, that was the glue grenade. I was trying to do the stun grenade, or the concussion detonator, but that works too.
Where'd this baby go?
Alright, there we go.
Please, don't hurt me!
Why can't I interrogate him?
Enough! Enough! I give up! Stop! Don't hurt me!
It literally won't let me interrogate him.
Please, don't hurt me!
Maybe this will fix him. I missed. That never happens. I missed again. Wait, is it auto-aiming away from him? No, it isn't.
Stop!
I missed bad.
Don't hurt me!
Be interrogated, fool.
Enough! Enough! I give up!
Alright, I'm flying away.
You in or out? Kane's dead like you say. Why ain't we heard nothing about it?
Oh, they respawned.
You will.
Bland.
Yeah? Why? Was you there when he dropped? I'm the one that did it. What? Don't give me that look. Guy was getting lazy and you know.
Bad for business, but good for us. Someone's gonna have to take his place.
I don't know. I need to think
Let's
about
take
it.
that.
Don't take too long. I got a line of guys that would kill.
Ah! What you gonna temper?
Look at what we got it!
Precision strike.
Try me again with that precision strike bullshit.
What do you want?
Answers. Did Penguin order you to kill Alex Kane?
I don't think so. If anything, Cobblepot's gonna have me killed for doing it.
Then why?
I was sick of playing heavy. I figured if Kane, you know, disappeared, I might be able to move up in the world.
You're not moving anywhere now. Alfred, let the GCPD know where they can find Kane's killer. You can forward them all the evidence, too.
It's already done, sir.
I really love the perfectly cut scream there. That was amazing. That was absolutely beautifully cut. Burb.
Dispatch, this is Officer Meyer. We got a hit and run just outside the precinct. Looks like it might be one of our own.
Your request has been logged. All available homicide units are out on call. First one back is yours.
Alright, I'm gonna go deal with Bird.
This looks like the spot. Now to find that canister.
Kill everyone!
Did he just say, let's get it on? What?
Always wanted one of these.
Armed and
Armed and dangerous? Nah, you're just armed. You ain't quite dangerous.
where's the
That was
canister?
so comical.
Thrown away. You'll never find it.
Sir, your suit is picking up trace elements of a compound used in the manufacturing of venom. It appears the canisters contain ingredients necessary for its creation.
I need to find out where they've taken them.
May I suggest scanning the area? They could have
I wonder where they took
point
it.
to their destination.
I wonder where they took a bird cage.
Looks like they're heading to my alibi.
It's my alibi, though. Why are they heading there? Alright, so where is Bird? Where is that mission at? Okay, they're in Coventry. And this is in Burnley. I'm just gonna go to Burnley because I want to do the homicide cases. They're kind of fun. Alright. Oh wow, look at his cape. Look at all the rips in that
I
thing.
think they run just outside.
Look at that
CPD.
cape. That's
This
crazy.
was no accident.
Straight up hit and run?
Victim is Nate Ramo, a member of the SWAT division. His whole team is currently under investigation by Internal Affairs. I wonder what he was doing here.
If I smack you in the face and run, is that a hit and run?
Looks like he was thrown a considerable distance by the vehicle. I can use this spatter distribution to determine the point of initial impact.
The sound it makes is so goofy, though.
This is where Ramo was killed. DNA evidence indicates the car was traveling at a high rate of speed, but the angle of spatter shows the driver lost control and the car was weaving. I should review the crime scene, see if anything else was hit.
Me when gravity. It's having a car now. Man, I hope I don't get hit by a car. So goofy.
Chemical analysis indicates a specific brand of paint that narrows down the make and model of the car. And cross-referencing these specs with the list of its team members returns a single name, John DeMarco. Time to pay him for this.
Alright. Where is he at? The Burnley district. Wait, isn't that where, Bird is? No, Bird's in Coventry. Oh, he's literally right here. Am I stupid? Oh yeah, if you're wondering my side on the Arkham Asylum subreddit war, or the Batman Arkham Asylum war, I am on the Aslume side. I am thoroughly with man.
He could have stashed up somewhere.
It's not like you can tell anyone.
Yeah, try me. Is it still easy?
Why did you do it to Marco? Why did you kill Ramo? You'd have been out of jail in a few years on the drug charges. But now, murder means life. With all the evidence collected, it won't take long for the jury to convict. Not on my watch. Alfred,
Right to the face.
Ramo's murdered and captured. I'm also sending a taped confession. We'll bring down the rest of the team with him.
It seems like the evidence not gonna disappear. Alright, what's the database at? 77. We're doing pretty damn good. Oh, we got a data handler pretty nearby.
Dispatch, copy. I've got a body down here. Mid-30s, no ID, no witnesses. Injuries are consistent with repeated blunt force trauma. Requesting a homicide team on site.
There are so many homicides tonight. That's insane. Oh, is he in underground? Is he in the sewers? Is he in the stinky? I don't know where he is, so I'm just gonna... Okay, so that's over there. I think I might just deal with Bird first. Because he's so... He's so close to being taken out, is what I was gonna say. So I might as well just deal with him. Oh goodness. I almost fell into the green stuff. Are you trying to break in? What are you doing?
Hey.
I want my lawyer.
You want an avocado? Okay, mine disruptor. Oh, I can't even go into the exit. Well, that sucks. I wanted to enter through the exit. Why is it blue? Oh, that happens on its own.
He told me he was real.
Uh-oh.
Sounds like a fight. Let's check it out. Welcome to Crazy Town.
Yeah, I got here on the crazy train,
We got a problem.
which I'm currently going off the rails on.
Fight fair, damn you! What's this guy's story?
Well, my parents were killed in an alleyway. Ooh. I think this is the way in. That is one hell of a metal door. That door is so fucking metal. The alibi. You go here when you need a fucking alibi?
Leave now, and we will spare you.
Fine, you want the club? It's yours. When the boss finds out about this,
He will stay away if he values his life.
I will defeat you, bird.
The bat! You have come as Bane said you would. Fly down from your perch then, so I can kill you.
I thought you'd never ask.
Alright, take out their venom.
you are nothing, pendejo!
Are they speaking Spanish?
By any.
Because I think Bane speaks Spanish sometimes.
More men!
Be easy.
I'll pick my teeth with your bow!
Oh, is that Bird?
Who are you?
They call me Bird.
Bane's lieutenant. Putting you away should set him back.
Bane already has all he needs. He will find you. He will break you.
Not likely.
Alfred, put in a call to GCPD. They'll want to bring these men in for questioning.
I unlocked a weapon upgrade? Oh. But I unlocked a weapon upgrade. Is it in here? Oh, that's rough. Fellas, I might be stupid. I don't even know what I'm doing. Can I talk to this guy? No, I cannot. So I'm gonna do the next, How do I keep managing to get back down here? Am I stupid? Alright, so it's not this door. Alright, so I need to do... I need to close this case file. Because I think I'm pretty close to completing that. Which should be pretty good. I don't think I vocal trained hard enough. I need to vocal train harder. Punch that guy in the dick, Batman.
Son of a... The bat found it.
Alright. Oh yeah, I remember. I need to check Zipline Takedown to see if I have the upgrade. I probably have it. I'll probably be able to do a predator encounter with it. Because it said upgrade required. Maybe it was talking about the
Police claim
remote
they
claw.
have no leads, but there has to be something here. What didn't they see? These bruising patterns are inconsistent with the police report of multiple strikes. The victim suffered one massive blow that shattered multiple bones.
Jeez. Imagine getting punched and shattering a lot of your freaking bones.
These spatter patterns confirm this man was killed by a single large object
Ouch.
traveling at high velocity. Reconstructing the event should reveal the murder weapon.
Just like a freaking car or something.
The prints belong to Andrew Carter. He has a pretty lengthy record, but nothing that indicates this level of violence. Notes indicate he's been suffering paranoid delusions. Guess he finally lost control. Alfred, I need a last known location for a perp named Andrew Carter. According to the GCPD database, he was released from Blackgate just over a month ago.
I'm sending you what I have. Oh, hold on. There's a notation here indicating he stopped attending court-mandated therapy sessions recently and is believed to be quite unstable. Do be careful.
I always am.
Uh-oh.
I need any assigned unit for special assignment. Stand by.
Amusement Mile Mauling. So I've had a lot of fun collecting the Steam achievements for this game.
Good. Had he shared what he knew, everything would be at risk. Have I proven my loyalty then? It is a beginning. Few are those we have brought into the fold. You understand we must be careful. Only tell me what you wish, and it will be done. For now, we wait. Bane will send word when he needs us.
Alright.
Guys!
Oh, he's been using Venom.
Our chance to prove our worth. Impressive. Luck favors. It's already too late for you. Bane likes us best when we hurt people. No mercy.
Oh, that was kind of useless.
This will help. Got him down. Death is your reward.
No, I think my reward is the cheats. Because I love them Steam achievements.
The shadow from his dreams. The one who must be broken. I was told you might come.
You killed a man tonight. Why?
He saw. He would speak. We could not allow it.
What did he see? What's Bane planning?
I will say no more.
Then we're done talking. Out.
I didn't skip that.
Dispatch, this is Officer Franklin. Go ahead and let Homicide know that the Park Row crime scene has been secured. Oh, and tell him to bring a second meat wagon. We got 2 DBs down here.
Meat wagon. Imagine having meat so big you have to put it in a wagon. That'd be crazy. You know, I find it funny how earlier in this episode I said I need to chill with the dirty jokes. Then I said a dirty joke. Oh, there's an anarchy sign there. Okay, so what is this? Why do I scan those? Oh.
2 victims. Both shot dead. I know them.
Wait. No, don't tell me. Don't tell me. I have a feeling that I know where this place is. Is it Crime Alley? Are we in Crime Alley?
This is Horace Riley, heir to the Riley mining empire. Odd. He still has his wallet and watch.
Yep, this is Crime Alley.
Clarissa Rodriguez. Riley proposed to her just weeks ago. Socialite and activist. Even though it's worth a fortune, her necklace wasn't taken. This wasn't a robbery. The reconstruction indicates Horace's lung was punctured. He drowned in his own blood. Clarissa took a single shot to the heart. Death was instantaneous. Both shots were from an automatic. Finding the casings will let me identify the killer. Looks like he tried to clean up after himself, but one of the casings fell through this grate. I can check it for prints. Those prints. did this. Alfred, I need a location on Ian Chase.
Isn't that the fellow from your Halloween party? As I recall, you had to throw him out. Is he troubling Miss Rodriguez again?
She's dead. Horace, too.
Oh dear. Oh, I suppose we should have seen this coming.
The location, Alfred.
Sent, sir. And my condolences as well.
How many dead bodies do you think Batman has to see in a day?
Hell with you!
Nuh-uh, I ain't going to hell. Well, according to a few people, I am. And honestly, I'm fine with that, because some people's description of Satan seems pretty chill.
Life isn't like it is on TV. You don't get to live happily ever after with the woman you love. Instead, she leaves you for your best friend. Sorry, man. You didn't need to bring it all back. It's fine, it's fine. Just give me a minute.
Uncrew. Why does this guy have a sniper rifle? Stop trying to snipe. Alright. Get this guy. Just throw him against the wall.
Last much longer, can you?
What are all you, stupid?
Yeah. Why don't they kill the bat? Are they stupid? The fact that Batman just punched him in the stomach. Let's resuscitate him.
What do you think you're doing? Do you know who I am?
I know exactly who you are. You didn't do it for money. You didn't even do it for love.
You're choking me. I can't breathe.
Not out of jealousy, not out of anger. You did it because you're a small, selfish, malicious...
Sir, is everything all right? Your vital signs are rather erratic.
What the hell's wrong with you?
Alfred, let the GCPD know that Ian Chase has been apprehended. I'm also sending you the evidence I collected.
Certainly, sir. And might I recommend you be on your way? No need to spend any more time there.
Yo, I completed all the case files. Or all of those case files. Alright. So, next episode, I'm probably gonna go after Black Mask's drugs or Enigma's informants. Alright. So, that is it for today's episode. I will see you next time. If you enjoyed this episode, please consider leaving a like, and if you loved it so much that you want to see everything else, please consider subscribing. This has been Chaotic Evil Duck. Goodbye.